Hello, I wanted to take a moment to walk through the functionality and the authentication process for my application Goldilocks.io. It is an application that is built for real estate professionals and renters, ideally, to be able to help facilitate the marketing of spaces. I'm focusing initially in the New York area, and hopefully we'll be able to grow it beyond. So when you land on the home web page, you will basically be presented with a list of the available listings that are currently marketed for the space. If you are logged in, you'd be able to set some additional preferences, and they work as parameters that will limit some of these responses. Currently I'm logged in, but I want to show you the login authentication process. So I'm going to log out real quickly. And as you can see from the top bar, we have the ability to sign in, which we'll do here in a second. An about, which is just going to highlight some of the details about the structure of why I think this app is unique. Privacy policy, the terms, and contact us. So we're going to quickly just highlight here, just to kind of show that these exist. Same with the privacy policy. It's in the top menu, so it's accessible from any page on the site. And the same is true for terms. And if anybody needs to contact us. So I wanted to walk through the sign-in process. Really what we're aiming to do is to create users which are able to like a listing, as an example, bookmark. They're able to message one another or other professionals. So it's critical that we have sort of a user database, and I wanted to create something quick that was painless for the user. So we built the app using Next.js, and NextAuth was a great solution. So when you select to sign in, you're basically provided with 3 providers that I encourage people to use. Or you have the ability to circumvent that and just get a magic link by adding your email and submitting it that way. But I want to walk through the process of selecting a provider, what information we get, as well as how we store and use that information. So if you were to click Google as an example, we choose an account, and I'm going to choose my own account. And it's going to say that by continuing, Google is sharing your name, email address, language, preference, and profile picture. So they are really just the basic information that I need. I don't need access to a calendar or anybody's drive, things like that. This is really designed to essentially get name, email address, and image, and kind of move on. So once you log in, that gives you a lot of new flexibility. As you can see, these are already items which I've liked and bookmarked, and you can find those. Let's say that was the wrong one, Messenger. Those are going to be in your favorites here, or in your saved elements here. You also can update your user information, your individual rental preferences, which are going to limit the responses on the homepage. And that's about it. So I really wanted to give you the overview of how the site functioned, as well as how we get the information, what information we get, and how we're really using it in order to improve the user experience on the site. Thanks.